I want body volume powder. Now this is a great product to create volume and texture. It's got a fine texture which you add to the hair, to the roots and through to the middle ends and ends, just to create that extra body volume and texture you're looking for in hair. Now it's very easy to apply. Comes in a pump form. So you work through the hair section by section. I normally start through the roots and just pump and just continue to work that through. And as you can see, it's a real fine mist, a fine texture. Now this has got some key ingredients here. It has copolymers, which adds grit and texture to the hair. It has silica cellulate, that's a hard one to pronounce, but helps ensure the powder gets distributed evenly throughout the hair, which is important because normally it can clump in a powder form. Citric acid, which balances out the pH level for the hair and scalp. We continue working that through, and as you can see, I work it through the roots, through the ends, and it's giving me a nice gritty texture. This is great even if you're doing hair up work, or and you want to create a nice texture in the hair. It just gives you that nice, beautiful texture. And you can see with my fingers, I can just go through and work it. And as you can see, look, it's created a nice volume, nice movement through the hair. Gives you a beautiful texture. Beautiful. Just keep working that, and you can just keep working it and building it and create a nice shape. But it actually, you can actually move the hair pretty easy once you're working with it. As you can see, it was flat. Now we've got beautiful body and movement throughout the hair. That's I Want Body Volume Powder.